Hi everyone, it's John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers, here to talk to you about one of the early feature cars for the Enthusiast auction, this spectacular 1933 Chrysler CL Imperial closed-coupled sedan. And this car, of course, sporting its gorgeous LeBaron coachwork. Only a few of these were built and only a limited amount of those remain. And this car, in addition to its great looks, has been restored extensively, and it has many accolades to its credit, including being shown and winning a place award at the prestigious Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance here in 2018. As you can see from the condition, it remains an exceptional show-worthy condition. It's also a car that mechanically functions at a high level and drives wonderfully. We've been able to take it out, and it is really a wonderful car, and we believe something that'll fit great into many collections, maybe even yours. So this car will sell again at the Enthusiast auction coming up here April 23rd in Auburn, Indiana, and we'll look forward to seeing you at the auction.